Hello, my name is Mike from The Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking you through a quick video tour of a Volvo XC90. So this is our 59 plate Volvo XC90. It's covered just over 132,000 miles from new. Has got a whopping 13 service stamps, and whilst in our care, we've replaced the clutch and flywheel, new disc and pads all round, giving it a fresh MOT with no advisories and a full 102-point independent mechanical inspection, along with the service. Overall, the car's in pretty good condition for the age and mileage. A couple little scratches on the bodywork, as you've got to expect with an older car that's done some miles. But overall, it's really not bad. Inside, you've got the half cloth leather seats, a little bit of wear on there. You've got steering wheel controls, AM/FM radio, CD player, rear parking sensors too, air conditioning's all working nicely, electric windows all round. It's also got a 6-speed manual. That's a bit of a rarity with these. Normally they are automatic. You've got the legendary 5-cylinder 2.4 litre diesel engine too. Really nice engines, those D5 engines. Plenty of legroom in the back. All in pretty good condition. And you've got a lovely big practical boot there too. Loads of space. You've also got an additional 2 seats which pop up from the rear just there. Really nice motor. Tyres are all in good condition too. Clearly well looked after with 13 service stamps over the years. Definitely been well maintained. Lovely D5 engine, very nice engines those, with a rare manual gearbox with the clutch and flywheel just replaced. Cambelt was also done back in 2022. Really nice motor, ready to go to its new owners. As always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. And if you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.